So the other day I was at Tai Fung, which is one of my favorite Taiwanese restaurant chains, and they serve the most delicious xiaolongbao, which is juicy pork dumplings. And every time I go there, I always get two things. One is a basket or two of their xiaolongbao, and also the second thing I get is a bowl of their house special jadori chicken soup. And the soup is actually a really nice, clean tasting steamed soup that's steamed for hours with ginger and green onions. And it's just this really rich, flavorful soup that when you drink it, you're just kind of like, everything in the world is okay. Okay, maybe not quite like that, but that's how I feel when I drink it. Anyways, I decided that I wanted to recreate this recipe at home. So if you guys are interested in how to make this copycat recipe, keep watching. First things first, we'll need some jadori chicken. And jadori chicken is a domestic free-range chicken that's known for its robust flavor. It's actually kind of got a creamy, intense taste to it when cooked in soup, but it's also still got that natural chicken flavor to it. Some people say it's almost like the Kobe beef of chicken, so it's very, very delicious and very, very good. Unfortunately, jadori chicken is not sold at all the grocery stores, so if you can't find it, that's totally okay. You can still substitute with chicken wings and chicken drumettes. Just try to buy the highest quality chicken you can find, so look for free-range, organic chicken wings or chicken drumettes. Cooking with the wings and drumettes will allow us to get the bones, which has a lot of flavor in it, yet still has the meat and the fatty skin, which will kind of give the soup a bit fatty flavor to it. In addition to the chicken, we'll need a 2-inch by 1-inch ginger slice. I actually went to Tai Fung and measured with a measuring tape, so 2 inches by 1 inch thin slice. And we'll also need a green onion stalk, just the ends, just the white part of the stalks. Finally, a splash of rice wine. I'm using about 1 teaspoon, and also some salt. Now it's time to cook. Start by placing 4 chicken pieces in a shallow pot of water. We're going to use this pot of water to clean and boil away any impurities. You don't need a lot of water, just enough to cover the chicken. Then place the pot on your stove, turn on the heat, and bring the water to a boil. This might take a few minutes, but once the water comes to a full boil, set a timer and continue boiling for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, discard the water and rinse the chicken a few times to remove any remaining residue. Then transfer the pieces to a small bowl. Next, add the ginger slice, the green onion piece, 1 teaspoon of rice wine, 3/4 cups of filtered water, and finally some salt. How much salt is really up to you. For me, I'm using 10 turns of my salt mill, but if you're cooking this for the first time, I recommend you salt half of what you think you need, and then afterwards, when it's done cooking, salt with the rest, but only after you've taste tested. Finally, cover the bowl tightly with aluminum foil or a lid and place the bowl in a steamer for steaming. You can also use the steam function on your Instant Pot if you have one. We'll want to steam and cook the soup undisturbed for 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove the soup and let cool before serving. And be careful when taking the soup out because it can be super hot. And that, guys, is my copycat recipe of Tai Fung's house special chicken soup. It smells so good in the kitchen right now, and I can't wait to try this. It was a little bit hot, so I did have to let it sit for 10 minutes, but it's a bit cooler now, so be careful when drinking. But let's give it a taste test. Wow. So the broth is really rich. It's very flavorful and intense flavors of the chicken and ginger. And even though it's flavorful, it's still very clean tasting, which is perfect. Anyways, I'm Angel. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, if you guys want to see more copycat videos like this, post in the comments and let me know what copycat recipes you want me to try next. Until then, I love you guys and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now. Mwah. I need to get a napkin.